Learn English Daily with Daily Dictions. Compliment. The word compliment means a polite expression of praise or admiration. Example: Lisa received numerous compliments from her colleagues for her outstanding performance in the office. Synonyms: praise or acclaim. Forswear. The word forswear means to agree to give up, or do without trying, or give up easily. He chose to forswear material possessions and embraced a minimalist lifestyle for a sense of inner peace. Synonyms: renounce or abandon. Mendicant. The word mendicant means a beggar, or someone who lives by begging. The young mendicant sat quietly in the outskirts, hoping for the generosity of passerby for money. Synonyms: beggar or pauper. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.